In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fields to a Jira issue screen. This process is incredibly useful if you're looking to tailor your Jira instances to better fit your team's needs or project requirements. Custom fields can help you track additional data specific to your workflow, which isn't covered by the default options. So let's dive right in. First, let's start by heading over to the Jira settings. To get there, you'll usually look for the gear icon, which should be visible in the top right corner of your Jira interface. Go ahead and click on that, then navigate down to the section labeled Issues. This is the area where you can manage all sorts of configurations related to your Jira issues, including custom fields. Once you're in the Issues section, your next stop is Fields. Here you'll find an option called Custom Fields. Go ahead and click that. This action will direct you to a page where all the custom fields currently in your Jira are listed. To create a new one, look for the button labeled Create Custom Field. It's usually located towards the top of the page. When you click to create a custom field, you'll be prompted to choose a field type. Jira offers a variety of options like text fields, date pickers, user pickers, and more. Think carefully about what type of data you wish to capture, because this choice will determine how users can interact with the field. Once you've selected the type, you'll need to configure the field details. This step involves giving your field a name and, if necessary, a description that elaborates on its purpose, which can be particularly helpful for new team members. After configuring the field, you'll click Create, and just like that, your custom field is generated. You'll then be taken to the Screens page. Now, what's important is to specify where you want this field to appear. It will show options to check the box next to Screens that you wish your new field to be displayed on. Make sure to select the appropriate screens that match your requirements. Once you've made your selection, simply click Update to finalize these changes. As an alternative method, if you choose, you can go back, find your newly created custom field, and click on Associate to Screens. This option allows you another way to select the screens where your custom field should appear. It's essentially another route to the same destination, so feel free to use whichever approach suits you best. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a custom field to a Jira issue screen. This is an efficient way to maintain control over how your team inputs and tracks data, ensuring that everyone has the information they need right at their fingertips. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further tutorials on maximizing your use of Jira.